Alright, so let me fix that there. Let me fix that there. With the bro Sharif here. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see me what the light is like this, but we're about to get into this program. Alright, Sharif, help a brother out.
Alright, man, so we about to go through the process. So we're gonna make you the perfect suit right now.
Alright.
We'll have you looking fly and fresh. You know what I mean? Get you right.
Oh yeah, we getting now. We acting wild, huh? Oh yeah, we getting now. We acting.
So you kind of talked about this is the fabric that you want. I mean, I think you did a good job of selecting fabric. I actually really like this right here. That part. Yeah, it's really smooth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the process of kind of designing it. So like we talked about, there's different fits that you can have. You can have kind of like a slim fit, which is perfect for those that are kind of like, you know, slim, skinny, even muscular build. And then you can do like a regular fit or something that's more relaxed. So tell me, B, what you kind of feeling? I feel like it's a slim fit, but I need to ask.
Yeah, it is a slim fit. I'm a slim. Listen, I have a slim body. I've embraced myself. Okay, at this point in my life, I've gone with baggy. I've gone with the baggy cuffs. Yeah. You know what I mean? The Steve Harveys. You know what I'm saying? I've been everybody. You know what I mean? But myself. So I'm gonna be slim. Slim as me.
Okay, perfect.
I give my everything. Oh, this is star. I give you every single thing. I give my heart. Father, help me, Lord. Why did the devil just knock on my door? Why did these people keep tripping every time I...
This is one of my favorite parts right
Ooh,
here.
the button. The button. Look at it. Okay, talk to him.
Talk to him. So you got the single-breasted options at the top. You got the double-breasted options at the bottom. So, I mean, the options are kind of like, you know, it's like a kid at the candy store.
I'm gonna keep it a buck with you.
I have a vision, they be closing the door. Why do these women stand next to the people with money and hope that they get on the blogs? Why does my mama keep crying and hoping that I'm the one that can get inside the slums? Mama, I'm broke, I ain't even rich. It's not about the money, man, really how you think. Really gotta get it, homie, time don't wait. God gave it to your hands, man, do what it takes. Do what it's all you.
You know your boy B got some style, see? Because I'm always focusing on one thing. Don't underestimate me.
Double-breasted. So what buttons do you want? You know,
And see, since I'm around this guy here, he's teaching me a lot.
It's who you. At the end of the day, it's who you. Said it once before, you bounce back before. Young kid with a juice, how about some more? That's no lie, I've been wondering.
This is another one of my favorites right here.
All right, we back.
It is the vent on the back. So
I like the double.
The double?
Yeah, the double vent.
The double is a good option.
Yeah, double's always been. I always knew I wanted the double.
Alright, man. So I think you said that you were going for the slim look.
I like the slim
You're
look.
done with the Steve Harvey look
Done
right
with
here.
the Steve Harvey look.
Done with the Steve Harvey.
Yeah.
Kind of transition from the Steve Harvey to the
slight
little.
I want the nun.
The nun. All right.
Yeah,
so we're gonna go with no pant break. Yeah. So it's not completely like high waters, but it's just like to the point where
fits.
If it's just nice,
it's comfortable.
And if that's your thing, if you like the high waters, you know what I mean, we can make it happen.
As soon as I go the answers, there's nothing but love. Tell everybody I'ma go wild west for the night. How about right now for the night?
So we went through steps 1, selecting fabric. Steps 2, we went through design. And step 3, the last step, is the measurements.
So we about to do the measurements right now? Yeah. All right, cool. All right, I'm about to get ready, get the measurements.
We acting wild, huh? Oh yeah, we getting now. We acting wild, huh? I give my everything, oh, this is star. I give you every single thing, I give my heart. Oh yeah, we getting now. We acting wild, huh? Oh yeah, we getting now. We acting wild, huh? I give my everything, oh, this is star. I give you every single thing, I give my heart. Lucifer will not save you. Lose yourself and be a slave to the game. Lose yourself to champagne and the fame. Lose yourself to all the money that you make. Lose yourself to all the people that you hate.
Man, you've been working out, man.
I told you, bro, I've been eating, and I'm a vegan.
And he's a vegan, man.
So when y'all talk about vegans look a certain way, man, you can
put this to your side.
That's a myth.
Yeah, it's a myth, man. I'm not vegan, but I've heard from enough people that it's true.
You can, yeah.
Truth the bed you make, prepare to lay. I'm still the guy that's trying to pave a way. Still divided by the love and hate. Cruise for the city just to think about life. Yeah, it's been a minute, I had to really dig deep. No self-doubt, can make you think twice. Giving my all so there's some kind of light. Live through the darkness and live through the pain. Tell you these things that I hope you relate to. Nothing but love that I crave. True, yeah, nothing but love that I crave. True, that's no lie. I've been wondering what my purpose is at night. As soon as I go, the answers is nothing but love. Tell everybody I'ma go wild, wild.
Man, listen, this is your boy Sharif. You know what I mean? Yeah. Every measurement counts. Unique Threads. Where can they find you, Sharif?
Yo, you can find me on Instagram, unique_threads_. I'm also on Facebook as well, Unique Threads Collection. Check out the website, www.uniquethreadscollection.com.
And on that note, this your boy B with the beard. Leave your comments at the bottom. Let us know what you, if you enjoyed this process. If you want to get you a bespoke suit, no matter where you are in the world, Sharif can take care of you. All right. So make sure I have his information down in the description. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share. Hit that share button. Hit the like button. This your boy B with the beard. This is Sharif. This is our vlog. Every measurement matters. We appreciate your time. You already know. We out.